Before we get started diving deep into costs, I did want to share a few quick tips before we go into our next couple of videos. One, as business owners, we are practicing managerial accounting, not financial accounting. Leave all the nerdy stuff, the depreciation, the dollars and cents way down in the weeds to your accountants or bookkeepers. That's not your job. Once a week, looking at your numbers is probably good, and just getting the ballpark figures is really best. Don't waste too much time on it. Two, don't get too wrapped up in the technology. I know you hear a lot about QuickBooks and things like that. And if you do want to use the technology, make sure your processes and what you need is really taken care of. We always say to a bunch of businesses that when they just throw the technology on top of a problem they haven't actually really addressed, they're just paving a cow path. You know, a cow path wanders all over the place. You don't want that. For most of us, just simple tools like Excel or a spreadsheet tool like Google Sheets is all we really need. Last, biggest tip I have before we get into the weeds on managing your costs, engage your bankers and potential investors now while you're still small. Let them give you early feedback. Let them be kind of a guidepost for you as you're starting to grow. Your goal is to reduce the risk for them to give you money. And if they know who you are and they know what you're doing and they know you personally, they know you all along the way, you're a less risky option for them.